This video covers a really key aspect of any research and literature searching process of planning a search strategy. Planning your research is really useful for a number of reasons. So firstly, deciding what type of sources that you actually need to find will then help you decide where you're actually going to find these. So deciding what type of information you need, therefore what type of sources and where you're going to find them is a really important first step. You also need to think about planning in the reading and thinking time. So not just the time it's going to take you to actually find those resources, but also the reading and thinking and understanding process and how you're actually going to utilise them in your assignments. And these steps of planning your research, including planning the search terms that you're going to use, can actually help with wasted time. So it can keep you on track and find you a better set of more relevant search results, which can then help you keep on track with answering the question. When we're searching then, we want to try and find the most relevant results possible and also as much as what's out there as possible. So this is particularly helpful when it comes to journal article searching. So we want to be in this top right hand green quadrant, so we found as many things out there on the particular topic we're searching in, but also that our search results are as relevant to our topic as possible. Quite often we will be in this left hand orange quadrant over here where we have quite a lot of results but not that many of them are relevant for our information searching need. And often we're down here in this bottom box where we've got a small number of results but everything that we do have looks quite relevant. And actually that's almost more dangerous because we could be tempted to stop our search at this point thinking that we're happy with our search results without realising that we've missed out on more relevant results. And hopefully you're very rarely down here in this red bottom quadrant where not only do you not have very many results, but you've also not got many very relevant results. So the first step of trying to get in this top green quadrant is to plan our search terms. So identifying the keywords that we're actually going to use within the search itself. And we want to identify the main topic words. So we want to make sure that we're not always using every single word in our topic or question. We need to identify some very specific keyword concepts that we're going to use. And anything that's a relational or action word, such as things that we're expected to do, directive words that help us understand how we need to answer the question, for example, we wouldn't actually always include those within the search terms as well. So I've got an example search for us here, exploring the effectiveness of interprofessional collaboration practice in large healthcare organisations. So our first task is then to identify the main keywords that are useful for our search. So firstly, we're being asked to have a look at the effectiveness of the interprofessional collaboration practice in large healthcare organisations. Now, when it comes to searching, if we only use these specific keywords, we're only going to get matches to articles that have used the exact same search terms as what we type in. What we actually need to think about is alternative keyword terms, so synonyms of our search terms. And this is what will take us from those few results that are relevant to the many results that are relevant. So we need to think about other concepts that are used as suitable alternatives that will also bring us back relevant results. So in my example for effectiveness, I might think about impact, success, outcomes, evaluation. For interprofessional collaboration practice, I might have terms like teamwork, multidisciplinary, communication as well. And for large healthcare organisations, I might think of some examples of those, such as hospitals or NHS trusts, or perhaps other ways of saying health organisations, such as health services. And then I need to decide where to do my searching. And quite often, we'll be looking in the subject guide for your topic and field, and therefore selecting relevant subject-specific databases.